In problem 3, we are told that a parabolic goblet with a cup that is as wide as it is tall holds 1.74 r cubed ounces of water when it is full, where r is the radius in inches of the circular rim. So if we picture this goblet like a wine glass, basically, we have this parabolic shape, and we're told that this radius is r in this formula. So we are also told that the volume is 1.74 r cubed. We're asked what is the radius to the nearest hundredth of an inch of a goblet that holds 9 ounces. So really, they've now just given us a volume. So we can say that 9 equals 1.74 r cubed. Now, in the interest of not being overly calculator dependent or rounding off in the middle of a problem, we're basically going to isolate r first by dividing both sides first by 1.74, which leaves us with r cubed equals 9 divided by 1.74. And then we realize that the inverse operation for cubing is to take the cubed root. So we'll take the cubed root of each side, which gives us r is equal to the cubed root of 9 over 1.74. Then we go to the graphing calculator and we type exactly this expression into the calculator so that we're doing this all in one step. So in our calculator, we can take the cubed root, and if you haven't found the cubed root button yet, you'll go to Math and scroll down to number 4, which allows you to take the cubed root. Now, before I select that, please notice that 5 is the xth root. So if you need a root other than a cubed root or a square root, you can actually enter the index for yourself if you use option 5. So we're choosing option 4 because we want the cubed root. And then we'll use alpha y equals to create the fraction. 9 goes in the numerator and 1.74 in the denominator. When we hit enter, it gives us our decimal approximation, and we would say that r is approximately equal to 1.7. And if we go back and look at what were the units that we were dealing with, we're supposed to go to the nearest hundredth of an inch, so I didn't round properly. Let me get my calculator back. So 7.3. And that's the approximation for the radius of this goblet.